I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Roblox Noob avatar. First, open the Roblox application and navigate to the avatar editor. This is where you'll customize your character's appearance. Once inside, head over to the body section. Here, you'll want to select the classic blocky body type. This foundational step is crucial for achieving that iconic, simple noob shape, setting the stage for your retro look. It's super easy to find and apply. Now, let's add those signature noob colors. For the head, choose a vibrant, bright yellow. Next, give your torso a striking bright blue. Moving on to the arms, both the left and right arms should be colored a distinct medium green. Finally, for the legs, select bright yellow for both the left and right. These specific color combinations are what truly define the classic Roblox Noob, making your avatar instantly recognizable and full of nostalgic charm. You're almost there. To truly embody the classic noob, simplicity is key. This means removing any and all accessories you might currently have equipped. Go through your inventory and unequip any hats, shirts, pants, or other items. The authentic noob look is defined by its bare-bones appearance, without any extra flair or customization. It's about celebrating the original, unadorned style. Don't worry, this minimalist approach is part of its charm and iconic status within the game. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very own classic Roblox Noob avatar. Now, make sure to save your new look in the avatar editor so you can use it in all your adventures. Embrace the simplicity and iconic status of this timeless character. Playing as a noob is a fun way to connect with Roblox's history and enjoy a unique, recognizable style. Have a fantastic time exploring the vast world of Roblox with your perfectly crafted, retro avatar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.